we will keep adding to enhance online teaching in NIU. Uh, so you see, I'm going to give a PPT presentation. After this, I'll take it to the Google Classroom. So PPT I have taken screenshots, uh, and this PPT will be shared with all faculty members. Anytime you can refer, and also my uh, this session I am recording it. This is under record. So the recording session also will be shared with all after this session. So let's go to the first part, the PPT part. Step 1, we have to sign into our account using NIU account, and then there is an Google Apps. All of you may be knowing it. There you can find Google Classroom icon. I'll show you after when I get into that work. So just click Google Classroom. After clicking Google Classroom, the second step is to create or join a class. A teacher will create a class, and student, they will use join a class. So both of them will have a same button called in the form of plus symbol. So if you can see my cursor, I am moving my cursor here. You can see a plus symbol. Just click plus symbol. You see, before clicking plus symbol in this screen, you can see there is one tab on the left side. It is computer aided manufacturing for 4th year, which I have used in my last semester. So it appears as it is. So in this semester, if we need to use some more courses, you can go for creating class for that particular subject by pressing this plus button. That's all about this screen. Once if you click, it will take you to this new window. In this window, you should give the class details. Give the class name, section, subject, room, and then there is one create button at the end. Now the create button, you can see it is not active. It is not active, if you can see. If anyone can't see my cursor, please tell me. So the create button down is not active. If I take it to the next slide, you will see it will be active once if you fill these details in this pop-up window. See the screen in the next screen. I did the class name BTech Mechanical Final Year, Section 1, subject name Operations Research, room number 201, whatever. So once if you enter these details, you can see the create button turns to blue color. That means it is active. Now you can press the create button. You see the difference between the previous slide. Create button is not active. Once you enter the details, the create button turns to blue color. So you can click create button, and you will get the next slide. You will get this, all about this mechanical engineering final year. This is the class I have created. You can see here the class name BTech Mechanical Engineering Final Year. If you want to give some other class name, the same class name appears in the next screen. So here I am getting BTech Mechanical Final Year. You can see the class code. Class code will be created automatically. If I can read CK6DARP. This is the class code. You can copy this and you can send it to students, anybody who wants to join your class. There is one way of joining. I'll tell you how to add people also. And you can see on the top, these are the main areas. Number 1, stream. Number 2, classwork. Number 3, people. People means the participants, students or staff, whomever it is. And the last one is grades. So these are the main 4 areas you are supposed to understand to handle this Google Classroom as an online tool. You see the previous slide, you can see nothing on the top because still the class is not created. Once the class is created, you can see the different window where you get the 4 major areas. This is what I'm going to share today. Now you see, I'll give a small brief introduction about this stream, what this stream concerned with. Stream is all about announcements, just a communication between students and the faculty. You can see at the bottom of the slide, I have given you 5 main areas where we work usually is number 1, stream, number 2, classwork, 3, people, 4, grades, and settings. Settings is there at the right top corner. Okay, you can go to the settings and you can do all sort of settings like who can see, who cannot see, time bound, so many things are there. You can explore it slowly one by one. But the major thing is these 4. And below you can see here, share something with your class. So you can announce our class starts from 4th of August. All students are requested to be prepared for the class with available, with all the facilities required for attending the class. Facilities means the internet connections, laptop, mobile, whatever. Some sort of announcements, not necessarily this. So this is about, after clicking create, this is the window appears. What we should do with this window? Number 1 is about stream. Stream is only for announcements, postings, and responses to students' query. Students also can communicate with you if they have any doubts. It appears in the stream, and you can respond to the students also. So first is you can communicate with your class. Second thing, you can respond to the students' post. Okay, now this is stream. So in this stream window, these are the thing. Again, what I told you on the top, it is here. So how to create communications? If you keep your cursor here, and if you type something, it will automatically ask you post. Post means announce to the students. In post, there are options. You can post immediately, or you can post in a scheduled time later on, or you can save the draft also. Means whatever you're texting, you can save the draft. The 3 options are there. I'll show you the next slide. Like this. Stream, it will ask you, see, I am sharing with your class. This is the text message I want to share with my students. I want to post it to my student. Our class starts on 4th. Be attentive with all online facilities at your end. So it will ask you to whom it needs to be shared. You can see here BTech Mechanical, because this is the class we are into. And if you want to share the same announcement for all subjects, of course, this is a general announcement. No? So we can share the same announcement with all subjects. You can click here in this arrow mark, downward arrow. You will get a lot of different classes. You can choose whichever class you want. And also here, all students, or if you want to make an announcement to one particular student, if you click here, it will show you to which student you need to make the announcement. So these options are there. So here you can choose which class. This is the space for your message. And posting. In post, you can see one more arrow down. If you click that, it will ask you, do you want to post immediately or later on, or save the draft? That's about this screen. So what to do now? We have to post. How to post? See here in the next slide. Yeah. See, when I click this icon, I'm getting 2 classes. This is for my last semester. It is done. This is for my present semester. So I have made a tick mark here to choose the present semester course only. Okay, you can make a choice like this. And second, posting. It will ask you, you can post immediately or schedule a post later on or save the draft. If you click arrow mark. Without clicking arrow mark, if you click post, it will post immediately. That you should keep in mind. And here adding. Not necessarily. See, posting means the messages always need not be just text messages. You can add, you can attach some files also in the name of posters or whatever. That is why you have an add button here, where you can also attach documents. You can attach YouTube links. You can attach the documents from the Google Drive, okay, in announcements in this area by using the button add button. This is all about the streams. Hope all of you are following me. Hello, anyone?
Yes, sir. We are following you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you. Yeah, these are the difficulties when we do online works. We don't know whether the students sleep or students listening to us. So then and there, keep asking them, have a small interactions. Thank you. So that's all about the stream area. This is the first area. I think then we'll go to the classwork. That is the major, that is the heart of our work. Yeah, still it is in stream. One more point I want to tell in stream, we can edit the informations also. You have a 3 dots here. In 3 dots, if you click, it will give us chance to edit the option. You can delete the message if it is wrong or if it is not necessary, or you can modify the message also. Okay, and after that you can do it. So that's all about this stream. Now we will go to the classwork. So in the classwork, if you click classwork button, you will get a screen like this. In this classwork, we can upload materials, means handouts, class notes, lecture notes, whatever. And also we can assign assignments. Also we can give them quiz. Also we can give them quiz using Google form. Okay. And all these works can be done using classwork. How, where is this assignment, quiz, materials and all means? You have to click the create button. There is a blue color button here, plus create. If you click create, you will get a pull down menu bar. I'll show you in my next slide. From that menu bar, you can choose whichever you want to do, you can do it. I'll take you to the next slide. Create. If you create, it will take you to assignment. You can, you have so many options: assignments, quiz, questions. If it is a short answer, if you want the students to answer immediately, it's a kind of assessment, classroom assessment. Yes or no, true or false, such kind of questions you can type immediately. Students will keep typing yes or no, present or absent, whatever. So questions, and then about materials, about all about our handouts, what we prepare for the lecture classes. You can reuse the post also. If it is already done, you can just go to that and bring it back. Okay, these are the major options we have in conducting the classes. So how we go with all these things, let's see one by one. Now this is a first about uploading or creating materials, handouts, lecture notes, etc. to the students. How we do, when you click in the previous slide, when you click materials, I am going to the material first because that is very important. So we'll go to the material. If you click material, it will take you to the next screen. In this screen is all about material, lecture notes. You see the screen? What is there? There are 3-4 areas where we need to fill the data. Title, formulation of LPP, because this subject is operations research. So my first topic is linear part programming. I'm going to formulation. So that is the title, I'm doing it. Description, if you want to have a description, you tell what you're going to teach in this. Otherwise, it's an optional, leave it. And if you come down, see add. This add, if you click add, it will take you to upload files. So from there, you can upload your learning material. See, this is linear part programming handout 1, document 1, whatever. Okay, this is the material I am uploading to the students. So you can upload it here. Now, when you come to the right side, this class, this material is for BTech Mechanical. Here also, again, there is an option. You can choose the class, which class you want. If you're having a combined classes, because there are common subjects, 2-3 classes, different departments will have a common subject like English, mathematics, and all. So it keeps on asking you to which classroom. You see, this is a sort of interactive software, user friendly. It always communicates with us. And is it for all students or for some absent students or late admitted students? So some students are lateral entry whose admissions are very late, they miss the handouts. So you can choose only those students and send it again. Sending means posting. You can see on the top, there is a post. Again, there is an arrow. This means you should understand, you can post it immediately, or you can post it after 10 days, or you can post, or you can just save it. These options will be there. It is a common standard options. And again, topic is introduction to operations research. So these details, you should do it in material. So it is that easy that to upload your lecture notes in the class. You give the detail of the class, title, topic, to whom, to which class and to which students, and then just add button and upload your material. So this I have shown you here, material uploaded using add button. And there is a link also, create. If you click create, it will take you to some link. You can bring that link also as a material, YouTube link or whatever other links. Okay, this is all about adding materials. Is it? I don't think this is difficult. It is so easy. See, basically, these softwares are made for both students and faculties who is teaching and who is learning. So definitely, these softwares are made so easy that anyone can use it in 1 or 2 times if they do. Now, once you click post, so I have created the material. Then I'm clicking post. Once I click post, you will get the next slide. You will get like this. Here again, you have a three dots. You see, introduction to OR. That is the topic. Introduction to OR. So this introduction to OR material is here, topic, and the material is a formulation of LPP. It is posted 2:12 p.m. yesterday. And here also you have three buttons. If you click the three buttons, it will give you an option to copy the link. Yesterday in our meeting, VC sir was asking that can we take a link and put it on our university website. It is possible, sir. We can click this three buttons and you will get an option for copy the link and put it in website. So last semester, here I'm showing you. Last semester we suffered too much because most of the faculties are copying with their using so many software. It is bulky.
That is good.
Yes, sir. So we have a link here. It's so easy now. And coming to the next slide, you see, yeah.
Dr. Shan,
Yes, doctor.
when we are posting the material to the students,
Yes,
the
doctor.
students will get the material in what form? They will be getting the mail.
Not no. They will get in this Google class. They will have to enter the Google class.
They
Students
will
also will join.
be having the access in the Google class.
Yes, doctor. They have the access in Google class.
Okay. When we are making the classroom, are
Yes, doctor.
we entering the email IDs of the students or not?
Yes, doctor. We have to enter the email ID or the student's name. I will tell you, doctor. I am coming to the people next step.
Okay. Okay. Carry on, please.
Yes. So once if you okay, I'm here to tell you how to copy the link. These three dots. That is about this page, this slide. You see, I have uploaded so much, 2, 3 materials here just for an example. The first one is about question. I'm just asking what's the value of x1 and x2 in graphical solutions. Students can do it immediately. Okay, I made a trial on July 20th. Today is 28th, 27th, yeah, 7 days before. So you see this formulation of LPP formulation, I'm clicking this three dot, you will get a copy link here. One small tab is there. So click this three dots, I'm getting two dots, sorry. Click three dots and select copy link. That's all, you will get the link and they can put it wherever you need to share with students. So that's all about this copying link. And then assignments. So about materials, it's all about the materials. So materials giving the details about the subject and click add button and add the file. After that, post it. Once you post, you will get this screen, and in this screen, you have a chance to edit or modify the materials which you uploaded. And then if you want to click the link, you can go to the three button here on that particular material. Each material is having three buttons. So go to
Excuse me, sir.
the link.
Excuse me, sir. Can we upload PPTs also here?
Indeed, yes, any type of files.
Because normally we teach with PPTs. So,
Of course.
thank you, sir.
Any type of files, PPT, MS Word, PDF, even YouTube links, anything is possible. And yeah, that's all about the materials. Now we are in assignments. How to give assignments to students. Again, the title is LPP formulation. You see, assignments on this right side column, there are a lot of options where we need to enter. This is important for a teacher For whom it is for BTech Mechanical, all students, okay. Points. Normally points you will be seeing by default 100 points. You change it. Assignment, some faculty may be giving 5 points, some faculty may give 10 points, some may give 2 points. You can make it here, you text it which what is the points for this particular assignment. And due date, you can fix your due date. If you want to due date, normally we will tell submit assignments after 1 week or after 3 days. So you should know what is the date after 3 days from now, and text the date. And there is a time also. If you click the button, you will get a time and give the time. Normally for assignment, time is not necessary unless it is a quiz. And topic, it is same, introduction. Rubrics, it is not necessary now. Rubrics is more into quality. They are the terminologies which is mostly dominating terms in quality, where it talks about knowledge, skills, and all these things. We don't bother about rubrics as of now. Yeah, this is now here again. You can use the add button and create button to give the assignment problems. So I prepared a questions in MS Word, and then I have used add button. I attached that file. So if a student is opening this file, they will get MS Word with 2 questions or 3 questions as assignment. Then they will write the assignment. They will submit it back to me. They will get an option. Again, add option. They will do the answer. They will click add button and they will submit. Okay, I will show you how the students are submitting, how it comes to us. I'll go to the next slide, please. Yeah, this is how. You see, I have made a trial with my colleague in my college. He is Mr. Rishi Raj. You can see the name Rishi Raj. So I have sent the assignment to him. I just told him, please make a screenshot and attach. So this is how the assignment submitted. Normally the students will do the answer and they will submit. This just for a trial. Rishiraj has taken a screenshot. He has attached as an answer and I am getting it. Okay, and I have evaluated and I have given mark 5 out of 5 grade. Private comments, if you want, you can say good, you can say very good, whatever, and then you post it. So this will be seen by that particular student immediately after we post the assignment marks to the student. Okay, this is first one. Second thing, you can see on the right top corner, there is an option, return the assignment. Sometimes students will submit again and again. So if you see this is not necessary, you can just click return button. So it will go back to the student. No need to keep in your receiving area unnecessarily. Okay, or some students may, yeah, that is up to faculty. They can decide whether to return it or no. Normally, multiple times, it is to avoid multiple submissions. This return button is there. So students also will understand. If you submit second time, the teacher will not take it. This option is there for you. Okay, and if you click the arrow mark, you can choose which option is required. That is all about this assignment. Submitting assignment is here, and receiving assignment here, and grading the student is here, and posting it. That's all about this assignment. Okay, now let's see what is in the next slide. See, yeah, I'm talking about return now. See, students submitting assignments to class teacher, and the class teacher can return the assignment if not necessary, or if it is submitted multiple times. So the screen appears. All the screens here, it is same, except on the top, you can see return this submission. If you click this arrow mark, you will get two options. One is simply return the submission. Another option is return multiple submissions. If students are submitting again, click this. The student will understand why the teacher is returning it. That's all about this assignments and evaluating assignments also. Now about questions. There is you can create questions also, short answers, as I told you before. So you can text the question here. You see this space to text your question directly here. You can directly text it here, and it is a short answer. If you click arrow mark, you're getting options like multiple choice, short answers like this. You can choose multiple choice normally for this kind of classroom assessment. where you need immediate response from the student. You can say yes or no, or true or false, something like this. I'll show you that. And yeah, here also in the question also, if you want, you can add, because that depends on the nature of subject we are teaching. You know, everywhere we cannot keep texting here in question, because some schools like fine arts or journalism schools, if they need to have some kind of attached format, they can attach and ask the question, but still that can be answered yes or no. Okay, so it's possible for that. And coming to this right side column, again the details about the classroom, all students, we see points. Normally it is in 100. You can change it. It is a short answer, maybe 1 mark, 2 mark, whatever. Due date, normally it will be no due date, because you need response immediately from the student. Okay, so don't give a due date here. Then only you will get the answer immediately. Topic, you can keep the topic operational research. I didn't fill it here, but you can keep your topic. So for setting points, marks, due dates, etc., this area. Okay, that's all about this creating questions. Okay, creating assignments, creating questions, all are similar. All are similar, because once you get the tab, it is like a form, filling a form manually. So we do it in this software. Once you get the form, you know how to fill it. It is only in English. So coming to next is about creating quiz assignment. You see the difference between assignment and quiz assignment. This is an assignment, and here we have quiz assignment. We can see here is assignment and quiz assignment. Quiz assignment means it takes you to Google form. If you want to assess a student using Google form, create quiz assignment. Once if you click quiz assignment, automatically it will take you to Google form. That is what I'm writing here. Note, only in quiz assignments, Google form appears, where you can set questions using Google form. You see, Google form is another C. You know, there are a lot of informations to work around Google form. That also I'll tell you. Okay. Now let's see what happens if I click quiz assignments. On clicking Google form, you know, a pop-up window will appear. Okay. If you click that create quiz assignment, you will get like this. And in this, it will take you to Google form. If you go to the Google form, you will get a blank quiz. Now you should create, you should click this blank quiz, and it will take you to that Google form. I'll tell you how to do it in Google form also. And again, as usual, on the right column, you have the same details, points, due dates, blah, blah, blah. Now you see, this is a Google form window opens as below. If you click this create, sorry, if you click this create quiz assignment, it will take you to this window. Automatically, you will get a blank quiz. Now, if you click blank quiz, it will take you to this Google form. In this Google form, there are different types of questions can be set. Okay, there are different types of questions can be set. I'm using here multiple choice. Again, if you click here, there are different types of questions you can choose. So this is option 1. If you want to add more options, you can click here, add option. Option 2 will appear. If you want 3 options, again add. You know, this software is ready to work for you. So you can create 3 options, 4 options, 5 options as you need. And in every options, you write the the answer. For option 1, what is answer? Option 2, what is answer? You know, like this you can write. And this is about question number 1. If you want to go to question number 2, again click here. You see there is a hanging toolbar. One toolbar is hanging here. You can see the positive sign and some file like things and editings, pictures, YouTube links, some videos. Okay, these options are there. So if you want to if you want to add second question, you can click add button. Again you will get another window. Again create the question. Okay, this is how you are creating questions using Google Forms. And in Google Forms, if students are responded, it appears to you immediately, responses. Okay. Once you create this, there is a button on the top called as send. Once if you click send, it will send to all whom you added in this classroom. Okay, I'll tell you how to add the people now. This is about Google Form. You see, Google Form is not that small to complete it in 2 minutes. It has a lot of things to work on. All these icons, these are all so user friendly. You can explore yourself. And moreover, I have told you how to create a questions, how to add questions. This basic is enough. And then you will explore yourself. Okay, and if any doubt, any time, I am here to call. Because of online, we are in our own home, each other's home, not in university, but still we are very close. Now you see second options, adding it. If you want third option, add option. You will get third options. Something like this. It keeps going. Now I'm showing you here. You see, when I click this multiple choice, this is what I have chosen. If you want to choose some other type of questions, you can click this arrow mark here. And if you click that arrow mark, you will get so many options to create this question. Short answers, choose it. If you want a paragraph answer, choose it. Multiple choice, choose it. Check boxes, choose it. This is like a match the following. If you're going for a match the following, students can check so many answers at a time. So multiple choice means only one at a time. Check boxes means you can make 2-3 answers at a time. So, and drop down, so many possibilities of creating different types of questions are available here. If you click the downward arrow in this type of questions area. And about hanging toolbar, it is here. Additional options, adding questions, adding a file which has questions and modifying it, or pictures. If you want to add some pictures, you can use this. And videos, you can ask questions through video as well, and that depends on the different types of schools and different nature of subjects. This is how you play around in Google Form. And Google Form, so many other options to work, as I told you. See, this is import questions. You can import questions from other files also. Now video classes. So this is all about this creating questions and all these things. Finally, so all these things you can do it offline. Okay, all these things you can do it offline. Students need not be there when you're working on quiz, when you're working on materials, when you're working on assignments, when you're working on quiz assignments. Students need not be there with us. Only thing where students need to be with us is in online, video classes during our teaching. So this is about video class. Video class is as simple as a Google Meet. Directly this Google will take us to Google Meet link, and everyone knows what is Google Meet. You see, you can see a small icon here with video, that is called Meet. So if you click the Meet, it will take you to Google Meet. Add Meet to your class. You will tell generate Meet link. You click generate Meet link, automatically a Google Meet link will come. And below this, please see, there is a visible to students. On this end, this is not selected. It is not allowed. Students cannot see. If you make it on, then students will be able to see it. That is the idea of that. I'll show you next slide. So I have created, and Meet link is coming. And then either you can copy and send it to the students, or you can make it visible to students. I'm making it on. So now it is blue color visible. In previous slide, it is deactive. It's not active. Now it is active. So that means it is visible to students. You can just save it. Below there is a save button. Just click save. Automatically students are ready and they will be getting this link. They will join the class. Now adding people. The video class is done. And then adding people, they use the name people because this software is not made only to students. It is made for everybody. So they use the common name called people. You can add teachers also, because sometimes some universities are conducting team teaching where 2-3 teachers will be there at the same place and they teach the students. Example, in engineering, we take this engineering drawing as a team teaching course. And there are some other courses also. When a senior professor is teaching, junior professors will be around, so you can add the junior staff member also. But as of now, this is not necessary for us. You come down to students, you can click here, there is a human like image, and you will see plus sign, that means add people. So keep adding. If you click add people, it'll take you to another window where you have a chance to get the email ID of students, and keep on adding email IDs. That's all. Just like creating this Google link. Or you can invite the students, or give them the class code. As I told you in the first slide, first 2 3 slides, I told you there is a class code. You can share the class code also in WhatsApp. Students can take the class code and join immediately. Okay. So this is all about adding students. You can add as many as 150 students in this Google Classroom. Okay. If we get a G Suite, G Suite, maybe IT stuff, Kasimji may be knowing it. If you have G Suite, it goes to 250 participants. But 100, even 150 is too much for us. Our classroom size maximum around 60. So, well, this is about this adding people. Then finally, there is another icon called as grades. Okay, in grades, if you click grades, you will know all about grades, like what is the marks. All these three things will come in the same line. I have taken a screenshot. I have shared here pieces, 1 2 3 pieces, but they come one below another. First is about classroom details. Second is about general. You can do the settings. You can change anything. And third is about gradings. Grade calculations, because we will keep on assessing students in with a number of assignments and quizzes and all. So we keep on giving them marks, 5 marks, 10 marks, 5 marks, 2 marks and all. So in grading, it'll automatically tell you what is the total mark till today. It will update their total scores. That's all about gradings. So these are the 4 areas. Now, after giving grades, if you click grades button in future, I mean after a couple of months or couple of weeks, it will appear like this. So I have tested with only one student. We are assuming as a student. So this student has submitted one assignment till now, and he has scored 5. I have given second question also without due date, and the student has not submitted, so it is empty. Understand? So it is like this. If I give three works, 3 assignments, 4 assignments, or quizzes, everything comes one after another. Now first is 5. If second is submitted, some marks will come here. Third is submitted, will come here, and finally you will get the total marks. Okay. So here view submissions. If you click these 3 dots, you can tell return, or you have option for view submission also. If you want to view the submission, you can click view submission button. Okay, because if you click view submission, it will take you back to this draft, means the answer. Okay, you see the words what they are using is a common word. It's not only for students, so they use the word draft. For us, it is answer. So if you click view submission at the later stage, if some students are having 3 marks, if he's having doubt, I want to see the submission means, you can call the students, you can see, you can check, view the submission, his answer will pop up again. You can tell what is the problem, why you evaluated as 3 instead of 5. These are the options in grades. Going to the next slide. Yeah, view submission. As I told you, it is taking back to the draft, means the answers, what the student has submitted with all the details, marks, everything. Fine, this is all about this grades, link, adding people and all. And adding people, I will tell you where to enter the student's email ID when I take you to the class now after 5 minutes. Now, how to record students' attendance? It is as simple as that. Go to Classwork. In Classwork, go to Create. In Create, go to questions. If you click question, you will get this window. In that question, your question is mark your attendance immediately without due date. Don't give due dates here. I have given, but you should not give the due date because it is on our lecture time. So mark your attendance. You select multiple choice. In multiple choice, you give only one choice, present. Don't give second choice. If students are giving present, you will get it is present. If they are absent, they don't do anything. That means then nothing will be registered in their name, in the student's name. So it is understood that that student is absent. So this is how you take attendance in your classroom. So go to create, go to classwork, then click create, then click questions. In that question, you just ask mark your attendance, choose multiple choice, and make an option. First option present. That's it. And then make it for the class. All these details, fill it. Due date, if you do on that day, don't give due date. If you do previous day, give the due date. And then you can tell schedule a date, save a draft, what or discard all these things options. If you click ask, it will ask the question to the student. Immediately they will respond. This is about taking attendance. I'm showing here how to do the scheduling, for attendance asking. Now, how to record your lecture. See, how to record your lecture is very simple. Even now you can try, but don't do it now, please. It may disturb our lecture, our session. So you see in this Google Meet screen, you can see at the bottom right corner, there is a 3 dots. If you click 3 dots, a pop-up window will appears, pop-up menu appears. On the top of the menu, there is record meeting. If you click this record meeting, automatically it starts recording, but it will ask you again. See, it asks, if you click start record, it asks for consent. You click accept. Once you click accept, you will get, you see, it is rotating here. This record is white color, that means still not started. After 1 or 2 seconds, it will turn to red color. Red color means record started. Okay, always it is better to record our session so that it is easy. If some students are missing our lecture, they can listen to our recorded version. Please do record your lecture classes. Once your lecture is completed, how to stop recording? Again, if you click 3 dots on the top, automatically you will get stop recording, because recording is already done. So the other option left is stop it. So you get a stop record. If you click stop record, again it will ask you, this reconfirms always. That is a safety of softwares. So you can tell again stop recording. Click here stop recording again, and then your records will stop. Once record is stopped, you see the beauty of this software. Automatically your recording will be saved in Google Drive. See, whatever we have recorded, it will be saved in Google Drive app. That's the advantage of this Google softwares. And also the recorded version will be emailed to your login email. I'm going to get this record now, after this session. So you can see here, after clicking stop recording, your recordings will be saved in Google Drive. It's as easy. Now I'm taking you to Google Drive. You see the below screen, this is a drive, Google Drive. In Google Drive, I have so many other icons. You can see here, Meet recordings. There is one folder called Meet recordings. If you click Meet recordings, it will take you to this recorded version. If you click Meet recordings, it is here. This is the file of today's recording. I mean our lecture. First. Second thing, the same recording, once you say stop recording, automatically you will get an email to you. You will get an email to you, Meet recording. Okay, the recording has been uploaded 9:29 a.m. today. So it comes to our email also. You can share the link, or you can directly email to University IT Center. They will put it in website. This is as simple as this, recording a version. Yeah, your recordings in your Gmail inbox. I'm showing you here. These are some private, or official things. I closed it. So Meet recordings, you will get it here. Now, this is all about the teacher's work. Now the question comes, how a student will join? Because students may ask you, how can I join your class? So I'm just doing it in two, 3 slides, please hold patience. Student to do, see, login using Gmail, using university account. click class invitation. You see the students, you see once you invite the students, once you add the people, they will get this invitation in their email ID. So they will click join here. Once if they click join, they will get another window. Again, it will ask you join class. See this window, it'll reconfirm with the student. Student has to say join again, and then it'll take to the classroom. This is the third window. This is first window, second window, and this is third window. In this third window, the student is entering the class there, where the students also can see stream, classwork, people. Okay, now the student will click classwork. Once he click classwork, he will see questions, assignments, materials, and everything, whatever the teacher is assigning or giving to the student. That is how a student will join the class. It is as simple as that. It appears in their email. Just click join, and you will get the classwork. How students mark their attendance. How teacher is creating question for attendance, I have told you. Now how student will mark their attendance. So this is the question appears to students. Step 2, you see there are only step 1 classwork. They will click classwork, then they will click the questions. Okay, once they click questions, they will get these options. They will just click present. That's it, and they will submit. They are getting the options for submitting also. That's all about marking attendance by students. So with this, I am completing this PPT. Hope all of you have understood to some extent. If anyone having some doubt, please refer the slide numbers. I will take you back. Otherwise, I will move to directly to the Google class, so you will understand how it works. Anyone, please?
Dr. Shan?
Sir,
Yes, doctor.
Very well presented.
Yes,
Suppose if we created a classroom with few number of students, and then after we wish to remove someone from the classroom, we do not want to give the permission to any individual student. So can we remove the students?
I have to see it, doctor. I will have to see it and I will confirm it. I
Yeah.
don't know about that. Yes,
Okay.
yes. That's one thing.
sir, I'm having a question.
Yes, sir, please.
Sir, I'm Talakbar Kamal from School of Business Management.
Fine.
Sir, only students with the NIU email ID can join, or the students with the Gmail ID, Yahoo ID, Redis mail ID can also join?
They can also join, but joining with NIU ID is good. They will get access of all tools in Google Classwork.
Sir, actually, in the previous semester, the School of Business Management has tried this, but we are unable to connect the students because the students don't have the NIU email IDs.
Yeah. That is why we have discussed already in the meeting that all students will be getting NIU email ID. This.
Okay. Thank you, sir. This is the thing I want to ask. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thanks for question.
Sir, Dr. Shan, I have one question, sir.
Please.
Sir, I have rather two questions. When every our lecture is actually being uploaded on Google Drive or what, so this Google Drive consumption is from our personal email ID or it is university's Google Drive personal limit? Because, for example, if I am, because every Google ID has given 15 GB as a free space. The moment when you keep on uploading more and more presentation, because one presentation may cost like a half GB or whatever, because our presentation are more and more with the JPEG images and all. So my question is that this file data consumption is from our personal email ID. Our personal email ID means rajendrakumar@niu.edu.in, or this is consumed by another Google Drive, sir.
Yeah, I think this question, IT Center, Mr. Kazimji is here. If he is here, he can answer. Otherwise, I will have to discuss with him, and I will have to know whether this is giving trouble or no. If it is giving trouble, we'll try to make a solution for that.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir,
सर सर सर
yes,
एक दो चीज कि पहली चीज कि कोई भी इसमें ज्वाइन कर सकता है
जी सर,
जिसके पास जीमेल की आईडी हो,
जी
ठीक है।
सर,
स्टूडेंट आउटसाइड उनको एनआईओ की आईडी की जरूरत नहीं है,
जी सर,
ठीक है। जिनके पास जीमेल की आईडी है वो क्लासरूम को ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं।
जी
सेकंड कि आपकी गूगल ड्राइव जिस आईडी से आपने की हुई है उसी पर वो डेटा सेव होगा, अदर्स ड्राइव पे नहीं जाएगा,
हम्म,
ठीक है। थर्ड कि हमारी 25 GB गूगल ड्राइव की स्पेस है।
अच्छा 25, ओके सर,
जी,
ठीक है सर।
किसी को और कोई डाउट?
सर एक चीज डॉक्टर
yes.
खान से इट्स अ रिक्वेस्ट सर, will it be possible कि ये वाली whatever this PPT which are presented today, can it be shared with all faculty, sir? At least we will.
Indeed. It is a food for everyone. I'm going to share it.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Any other questions, please? Otherwise, I will go to the classroom now. Fine. I think I'll just go to the Google class. I will stop sharing this. I will share the other one. Please be for some time. So I'm in my email ID. Can you see my inbox, please, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. So
Yes, sir.
yes. Now I am repeating the steps which I have shown you on PPT. So I'm just closing my previous ones. Okay, now this is the area for Google Apps. I need another 15 minutes hardly. This is very quick. See, go to here, Google Apps on the right top corner. And here you come down, you have Google Classroom. You can see here Google Classroom. Click Google Classroom. I'm getting my classroom like this. So I have created two classes. If you can see, all of you, I have created two classes. This is for present semester. This is previous semester, as I told you. Now we will see the present semester class. So I will choose this class. When I'm clicking, it is taking me to present class. Is it visible to all of you?
Sir, it's just your mail ID. Mail inbox is visible to
Only
us.
mail ID. Oh, okay. So I will share again, please. I will have to share. So it says you are presenting. Anyway, I will close this. I will open it.
Okay, sir.
Stop presenting. Okay. Chrome tab. My inbox. I'm sharing my inbox. Is it visible?
No, sir, not visible.
Yes, sir. Now inbox is there.
Inbox is there. Okay. Now, please, can you see the Google Classroom? I'm scrolling down to the
Yes,
classroom.
Yes, it is
sir.
there.
Fine. Good. So the classroom is open now.
Sir, again the inbox is there only.
Is it? Share this tab instead. Okay. I'll just. What about now?
Yes, now yes.
Yes.
It's visible now.
Thank you. So when you click classroom, it will ask you share the tab.
Sir,
You know?
sir,
So you click
I'm sorry to intervene, but I can't see. I can only see your photo. No screen.
ठीक है sir. You can see some. You can pin me, na? I may be in two.
Yeah, I already pinned you. I already pinned you, sir.
It's visible, sir.
It's visible, na? Yeah.
Yeah.
Because sometimes my name will appear 2 times.
Sir, there are two names, Director SCT. So one is
Two names.
sir's face is there, and other thing is
Your presentation.
we can see the presentation. It is visible, sir.
Mr. Rajesh Kumar, you can click the presentation. Director ACT, your presentation. That is there. You go to the people and choose Director ACT, your presentation. Okay. Rajesh Kumar ji.
Yeah. I'm just figuring out. You carry on, sir. I'm figuring out.
No,
Okay.
you get there are 2 Director ACT. 2 is there. You just click your presentation. Director ACT inside bracket. Your presentation is there. Click.
Okay. Got it.
Thank you so much.
Got it.
Now, now I am clicking the classroom. It will take me to the classroom. In this classroom, see what I showed you in PPT. It's all here. Okay, this much is done. I have only one class comment. My student, in the name of student, my colleague is helping me. He says, okay, sir, because I did this message. Our first class starts on 4th. Be attentive with all online facilities at your hand. For this, the student responded, okay, sir, like this. Okay, here you see, you can go here. As I told you, these 3 dots are there. You can click the 3 dots. You can edit, copy the link of this also, paste it anywhere wherever you want. Okay. So here, if you want to make an announcement again, I will click it here to the same class, all students. Thank you for cooperation. Directly I'm posting without any schedule. If I click this arrow mark, you will get post schedule draft. I don't need. I am posting now itself. So I click post. It says posting. Automatically posted at 3:36 p.m. Thank you for cooperation. Okay. So like this. This is about communicating with students, creating post created, all these things comes. Then going to the classroom, classwork. This is very important. Attendance, So you see, again, create button, go to the create. If you want to see only attendance, click attendance on the left column. Click attendance, only attendance will appear. If you want to see only the lecture notes, introduction to OR, only that. Because later on, we will have so many contents. You can segregate from this. So now it is only few. I am selecting all topics. So everything will come here. You can scroll up and down. Okay. So now this. So how to create? Easy. Click the create button. You will get all these things. If you want assignment, click assignment, quiz like this, questions. First is attendance. I am going to question. In this question, I type here, mark your attendance before end of this class. Whatever. Now here you see short answer. Click this arrow. You will get multiple choice, short answer, only 2. So I choose multiple choice. Once if I choose multiple choice, these 2 will appear. See, when I choose short answer, nothing is here. Below instructions, nothing is there. But when I choose multiple options, you get these 2 are ready now. Option 1, I click here, I make present. I type present. That's all. Absent boy cannot do anything. So we need not give an option for him. Okay, that's it. And then you can on this right column, you see, in this right side column, BTech, also the points. This is not a point. It is just attendance. So you click the arrow mark, choose ungraded. We don't need to grade this. So choose ungraded. That's it. Due date, don't give due date because we need immediate. So no due date, no topic. Of course, topic, if you want, you can put the topic of that day's lecture. Below that, students can see class summary. No need for students. Students should not know who is absent, who is present, because it may encourage students in negative side. more absent, this boy also will run away. So don't show this. So this much, and then finally ask the question. Once if you ask the question, it is asking here. Once it is asked, your question will come here. You see, my previous question is mark your attendance. Now the question at 3:38 p.m. it is mark your attendance before end of this class. So if you want, if there is a small mistake, you can go to the three buttons. No need to panic at all. Edit it, delete it, copy it. Whatever you want, you can do it. So this is about creating questions and assignment. As I told you, go to assignment tab. You will get text, some title, instruction. If you want, give some instructions. If you want, create, add, and take a file. Easy. If you click add button, you can take the assignment from Google Drive if it is available. You can take a link and send that as assignment, or you can choose a file and give as assignment, or you can choose a YouTube also, and you can ask the students to answer on this YouTube, because law colleges are there. Is different types of schools are there. So whichever suits, you can use it. And then finally here, same class points for this assignment. How many points? Default 100. You can change it ungraded. Otherwise, you keep here and backspace and make it 5 points, or make it 10 points. That depends. Or make it 4 points. That depends. And give some due date if you want. Due date. If you click date and time, click that date and time. Sorry, down. If you click here, you will take it will take to the calendar, and you know what to do with this calendar. And time is optional. If you want to time, you can put. In my PPT, I didn't put time. Here, if you want to put the time, you can put, you can add time. Click. Now it is 11:59 default time. You can give 3 p.m. whatever. Okay. So July 30, 3 p.m. Topic. You can click whatever topic you want. Create a topic. Attendance, all this. So we should create a topic. So create a topic, some topic. Okay. And then create plagiarism, not necessary for classroom teachings. And then finally assign. It is asking you assign. Assign means it will assign immediately. If you want to assign tomorrow evening or after 2 days, you can schedule. Assign or schedule or save the draft. If you have not planned when to assign, you save the draft only. You can assign it once you know the date when to assign. Okay, these options are there. Or if you're too much confused with your work, just discard the draft and work again later on. So many options are there. Now I'm just assigning now itself. I'm assigning. If I click assign, everything will be deactive only because it is working for assigning. So assignment created, you will get at the left lower corner. Now you see, this is what the assignment. Book something, I typed it. So this is how creating assignments. And again, questions, materials. If you want to go to materials, again, some topic, operations, research, whatever. If you want to add, go to the file. If I click file, I'm just showing you. One window will pop up where you will upload recent or upload or from my drive or stat, YouTube, everything, whatever you want, you can choose. So many files, all files will appear here. You can choose. It is for making your work easy. Or if you want to have a particular one, go to upload, browse, or drag a file here, whatever. So I am browsing from our computer. Okay, this is mechanical lab manuals or whatever. So you know how to take all these things. So in the second semester, something like this. CAM syllabus. I am choosing this, opening here. So CAM syllabus created. Okay, it is in Word format. Now it is saved. My assignment is saved. Sorry, material is saved. Now I'm posting. I can post immediately as usual, anytime later on. Topic, if you want, you can put here, create the topic and CAM syllabus. Sorry, font is changed. It's okay. I'm just posting it. Material created. It will confirm you again on the lower left corner. So CAM syllabus is ready now. So this is how you do for materials, assignments, and quiz. Also, I did now quiz assignment. This is about Google form. Once if you click quiz assignment, it takes to the title, give some title, and here you see, as I told you, there is a blank quiz. If you create this, click this blank quiz, it will take you to the Google form. Can you see the Google form, please? Can you see the Google form?
No, sir. No,
sir.
no form, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See, it is not seen.
No, sir.
Google form.
Google
Same
form
page is
icon is
visible.
there, sir, but
No,
the
no, no.
Google form visibility. Only the
This
icon
is
is
not
there.
Google Form, sir.
Some sound is coming. I'm sharing now. Please see. See, there is a, you see, you will get a new window where there is an option, share this tab instead. So I'm clicking this, share this tab. Now I think you will see the Google form. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So
Right,
once it
right.
comes to the new window, it is asking you share the tab. So click share the tab. It will share with you, all of you. So now again,
Correct.
now you can type the question, whatever question you want. There are choices, as I told you. Click here. A lot of choices are coming. What type of question you want, you choose it and do it. Now it is multiple choice. I am giving you here option 1. I am telling option 1. Yes. I want to add another option. I click this here. Add option. Add option automatically no. Okay. And another option. Some option. We can give some why like this. If you click on adding, options will be created to you, multiple choice. Okay, and if there is any option is wrong, there is a remove button here. Click that remove, it will go automatically. You can redo it again. So once all these things is done, you can create the second questions here. Add questions. Answer key is not necessary. This is required. Answer key, if you give answer key, you should choose required or not required. So no need. Now you are adding another question. So question number 1 is already done. Yes, no, TTT. Question number 2, you keep doing like this. Another option. Let it be option 1, option 2, option 3, no issues. Option 4. Again, you keep adding. So like this, question 1, question 2, question 3, it is done. So here, if you want to add some pictures, you can go to these pictures. It will take you to the insert images. You can go to the upload images, camera, whatever, photos, and you can put. So this is how you create using Google Forms. Once you create, you will do send. Okay, you can directly go on the top and send it. And here also there are some options. You can see preview. You can preview this Google Form, how it appears to students. And settings. If you click settings, there are a lot of things to explore. We will do it one by one. This is first session. And then you can send. It will automatically go to the students. You see, it will ask you send via email or all these things. So here, email. If you click to, you will have a list of email IDs of your classroom students. Just copy and paste it here, and then invite them, and then send here. If you click send, it will go to those students. Now, for example, if I click Rishi, it will go to Rishi. Now I'm sending it. That's it. He might have received it now. So this is about this Google Forms, how to create Google Forms. Okay. Now I'm coming back to, I'm sharing another window to classroom window. Are you seeing another window, please? Okay. I have created the Google form.
Yes.
Now I am back in assignments in blank quiz. Can you see this blank quiz? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now after creating the questions, now you should set the points. If the point is 5 or 10, give the points and give the due dates and all these things as I discussed with you before. After doing this, just assign. Now I'm assigning it. You can see here it is assigning. Now here You can see VJHJK. This is the quiz assignment. Okay, if a student is clicking this, it will directly take him to the Google form. So a student can directly answer there. Okay, that is how it created. It is created 348. Previous question created 338. So that is how we are working with this classroom create options. Assignment, quiz assignment, questions, materials. This much is more than enough. And these tools we'll see later. Topic and all, not much of use. So after this classroom, we'll go to the people. Yeah, Meet. Meet is there. If I click Meet, it will take to the Google Meet. I'm already in Google Meet. I don't want to confuse by clicking this. 2 minutes will come. So I'm not doing it. If you click, as I told, it will take you to the Google Meet. It is so simple for all of us. We'll do it. And class drive folder. If you click class drive folder, whatever we have uploaded here, you will get it here. You know, whatever a teacher is created, it is here in the class drive folder. LPP formulation, files, blank quiz, blah 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 blah. Everything is here. My assignments, my lecture notes. Okay, all are here. You can use it if you want later on. Okay, that's the idea. Now, I should go back. I think you're not seeing this. I will share this tab. I click the Google Class Drive. Now, can you see the Google Class Drive? Any one or two respond, please?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Anji, in this Google Class Drive, you can see all the files which I have created for this classroom. You know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 files. Assignment quizzes. This is assignment question. This is my lecture notes. This is the blank quiz I created just now. Okay, this is the questions. And all these things will come here. LPP formulation, the folders. If you click here, you will get that folder also. So all these things. So I am going back to the main classroom. Okay. Now finally we should go to people, adding people, how to add people. I'm clicking this. Can you see these people, please?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Now the people are here. I have added one student. Now if I want, I will add, I see one student here. I'm going here, I'm clicking. Type a name or email. Type a name or email. For example, I will add HODs of my school. HOD. HOD. I will get civil HOD is done. HOD. Computer science is done. And like this. HOD biotic is done, and all HOD Sujata is done, and Madhu is done. So I'm assuming all like this. I can keep on adding the student's email, or if I have an email in one Excel file, copy everything, paste it here, and then down you can see there is an invite. I'm just inviting. If I click invite, it is inviting now, and that is how you will get the students list here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All are invited. Only first student is accepted. Till they accept, their name will not be active. So once you add, you have to inform students to go to their email and accept. Okay, once they join the class, their name will be active to all of you. This we have to do a day before our lecture class, positively before 3rd of August. And students, let them be informed from you. So this is how about adding students. Like this, you can keep on adding. And actions. See, actions. Sir was asking me, VC sir, if he's there, I have an answer here now. Actions. You know, if I click action button, all students will be chosen. Here, there is, you see, you can email the student, you can remove the student, you can mute that student also. I don't know, Honorable VC sir is there. This is the answer. So we can remove the student, sir. If I want to remove Rishi Raj because others they are not active, if I want to remove Rishi Raj, I will select that particular student. I will go to action. I can remove that student. If VC sir is there, hello sir. Hello sir. It is okay. Anyway,
Yes,
this
sir.
is this is a question for all of us. So if you all know how to remove a student if he is creating nuisance in the class, you can choose that student from the student list and go to actions. You can just remove him or first mute him. Again,
Okay,
if
sir.
trouble is coming, you can remove him. Okay. So this options is there. So I am happy that we answered sir's inquiry also. Good. So this is about adding students and controlling students in the classroom. And finally, grades. As I've showed you, you see, it comes like this. These are all the different quizzes we have created today. 10 marks, 4 marks, this. But the student has taken only one assessment and he has got 5 out of 5. If he is submitting other assignments, it will the mark will come, keep totaling. Okay, in grades. Now, other students whom I assigned before, just now, the HODs, they have not accepted. If they join the class, their name will appear below this. Okay. It is so much easy. It is totally reducing our
So we are in
clerical
process
work.
of joining.
No, no issues, no issues. I'm just showing for example. Yeah. So that's how we should manage students removing from class, controlling students by muting them, and also you can check the grades by clicking this grade buttons. Okay. Now here you see the beauty of it. If we need anything to be changed, go to that particular assignment. I am going to this assignment where a student has submitted. I am clicking here 3 dots. It will ask me return or view submission. If I click view submission, it will take me to his assignment submission. Okay, that will come in a separate window. I'm sharing that to you now. Can you see that? Assignment submission. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
In your window? Yeah, yeah. This so it will take us to this assignment submission. There you can do the editings. If unknowingly if I give 5, you can go to the mark on the right side and make it 4. And then post it again. Add private comment, something. If you add comment only, post will be active. If you don't add comment, post is not active. You can see on the right bottom corner. So give some comment, or you can say correction or re-evaluation, whatever, and post it. So his mark is changed here, 4. Okay. Now I'm coming back to that screen. I'm sharing that screen. Once I change for the mark for this particular student, Rishi Raj, see previously he was 5, now it is 4. So updating the marks also is possible. Okay. Excuse me, please, 5 minutes. So updating marks is also possible. You see, these 3 dots is very much helpful for us for modifying, editing, anything. If you click here, you can modify this question also. You can modify the due date also. Edit, delete, return, all these things. So now 2 more participants have joined my class. Okay. So it's like this about gradings and all. So that's all about the classrooms. Now I'm going back to this main menu. See, top left corner, there is a main menu. If you click main menu, it will ask you classes. I have 2 classes. It will ask you calendar, whatever you want, you can choose here. So I can directly choose my class. Or if you go to class, you will go to home page. Or directly class, you can check here directly. I will go to home page now. Home page. This home page. Now I choose my class. Choose my class. Again, we are back in the class. Okay. Now, if you see in my class, one comment is there. If some other participants comments, their comment also will come down. Okay. So this is all about this Google Drive. So I thank all of you for being here and understanding. I have taken almost 1.5 hours time. Thanks
Thank
for
you so much,
listening.
sir.
Thank you for listening patiently. And I'm
Thank you,
going
sir.
to
Thank you
share.
so much.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you,
Sir,
sir.
just one question,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Yes,
I
sir.
have got
Please,
a
please.
question.
One question for all of us. Yes, yes. Please.
Yeah. Sir, is the thing clear to students because we'll get the recording and we'll understand. How
Huh.
about students? They are not used to the
Yeah,
Google
yeah, I have
Classroom.
told you. That is true. That is true. See, students, they have only 3 steps how to enter the class. I have shown in the PPT. What I advise, the individual faculty can, or their department HOD, I think the class advisors. I advise the class advisors will email to the students only those 3 PPTs, how to join. And afterwards, once they start interacting with the teacher will inform how to take the assignment, how to do it. And top of all these things, this big training session is not required because everything is available in uh, Google search engines. You know, it's available in YouTube and everything. Students are so smart; they know how to join. If they don't know, teacher will take the responsibility and the class advisor as well.
Sir, one question.
Yes, please.
Sir, can we add the lecture plan to the students' calendar in advance? Because
Anji,
different,
yeah,
different.
yes, yes. See, lecture plan. Please make a lecture plan for 40 hours. How you see that depends on the credits of each courses. If a course is having 40 credits, sorry, 3 credits or 4 credits or 2 credits, we may be knowing, 20 contact hours or 30 contact hours or like this. Assume there are 5 working days. I mean, HODs knows based on your timetable, not on working days, because some courses may be having 4 hours a week, some are having 3 hours a week. Based on that, you see the content, keep distributing the course contents for 16-week program. I think we are running 63 months program. Huh? So till that you plan it, provided if there is a government holidays, please don't schedule any lecture on that particular day as per calendar, because this time our university we are not fixing any academic calendar because of COVID. Anytime there may be some change, and all these things what we are posting in the name of course plan, it's a plan. There will be deviation when it comes to action. No problem about small deviations here and there, but just give a course plan. Okay? Before beginning the course plan, oh, you need not give the detailed lecture plan and all. Give the topics. Which topic will be taught on which day? That is enough. On that
Okay, sir.
particular day, when you're teaching, your material is already ready. Everything is saved in Google Drive and all these things. Give only the link to IT Center, and they will put it in the website.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Anji, thank you. Thank you. Any other questions? We will listen. Otherwise, we will conclude.
Hello, sir.
Anji, please.
Sir, two
Sir,
minutes
can I ask
before
you
I
a question, sir?
Why not? Please, one by one.
Okay.
First,
Yeah.
Hello,
Raj.
sir. 2 minutes.
Okay, first Anupam Yadavji, please.
Sir, 2 minutes before I tried to invite students from their personal Gmail IDs, but it shows a message you cannot invite student through this domain.
Okay. So as I told, we are working for NIU email ID. I hope it
Yes.
will be created soon. Okay.
Okay, sir.
This
Okay.
suggestion is recorded here. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Rajendra ji, please.
Sir, I mean, like in between the class lectures, sir, whenever we are going on, is it also possible that we can switch on the video of some student and we can interact also, sir?
That's possible, sir.
That's possible, sir.
That's possible. You can chat or you can talk and you can allow so and so student can open the video, not others. That way it's possible. It's possible.
Fair enough. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Any other questions? Yes.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes. Good afternoon, ma'am.
So just one question, because many of our students, they are in the rural villages and they don't have laptops. Is Google Classroom accessible through cell phone?
Yes, yes, it is accessible through cell phone. I know it is in Android very much. In Apple also nowadays, these two are very much popular. I think it is accessible in mobile also.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Not I think, it is accessible in mobiles. Yes.
All right, thank you, sir.
Anji, thank you.
So when are the classes going to start, sir?
Sir, absolutely on 4th of August.
Right, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Welcome, welcome.
Hello, very good evening, sir. So this is Isha.
Anji, please.
Sir, I was asking that most of the students are like in MTech, most of the students are from Afghanistan and some of them are from Kashmir. So, sir, they have a lot of network problems. So, how all these things will be solved regarding the videos? That's all.
No, you see, we cannot fix the problems in geographically. Okay. Only thing, students should be, to some extent, they should be self-help. They should be self-help enough to
Okay.
take their classes. You know? And this
Okay.
is a temporary, maybe after 2 months, we may come to the campus. That depends. But there should be such kind of little deviations will be there. Some may not attend. Some because of internet problems. We have to tolerate little and take in another way of telling them, please go to the recorded session. Our session is recorded. No?
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay,
they
sir.
can do.
Thank you.
Yes. Anji. Any other questions, please? Okay, I think we can conclude as of now, and we will keep interacting with another platform, Microsoft Team. I'm proposing on Friday. Hopefully, we will do it on Friday. It is just like driving a Santro car and driving a Maruti Suzuki. It's all same. There may be small changes there here. It's okay that we will see it, but fundamentals are same. It is, if I talk in civil engineering, Primavera and Microsoft project, it's both are same, but we have little differences. So nothing much to concentrate on Friday, but we will update that software also. Okay. So with this, we can conclude the meeting.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
this
Thank you
recording
so
you
much.
share, sir. Sir,
Yes,
this
this
recording you
recording
share.
also, I will submit this recording and PPT to Honorable Vice Chancellor sir, Registrar sir, and sir will share with everyone. I
Thank
think
you.
right. Yes, yes,
Thank
yes.
you, sir.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
sir.
Thank you, Ji. Thank you all
Thank
of
you,
you.
Thank you,
sir.
sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Shyam.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
It was a nice presentation.
Thank you, sir.
And I request all the faculty members just go through the practicing, and if you find any difficulty, you can get back to Dr. Shyam with the mail.
Yes.
And we are working on Microsoft Team also, as Dr. Shyam told that he is going to present on Friday. Meanwhile, whatever you have the question, please compile the question regarding the Google Classroom, and you just compare with the Microsoft Team. If you find Microsoft Team is better as compared to the Google Classroom, we will go with that. Otherwise, Google Classroom is sufficient enough with if it is fulfilling all the need of the curriculum. Thank you, Dr. Shan. Thanks for presentation.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, all of you. Anji.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, madam. Thank you.